wow! Aha! Let's assemble it. Let's start with the first letter of the alphabet, letter A. I see the letter A. Do you see the letter A? Yes, it's green. Ta-da! Hello, Mr. A. A is for apple. Good. A is for aeroplane and A is for ambulance. A. It's green A. Put in the right place, yes, here. Let's look for the next letter. Letter B. Do you see the letter B? I see the letter B. It's blue. Ta-da! Yes. B. Letter B. B. B is for ball. Oh, great. B for ball. And B for baby. B for balloon. Okay, great. Put in the right place. Now let's look for next letter. Letter C. Do you see the letter C? I see the letter C. It's orange. Haha. Letter C. 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 C for cat. C for cake. Great. Letter C. It's orange C. Look. Okay. C. Put in the right place. Yes, here. Now next, I need a letter D. Okay. D. Aha! It's a letter D. It's yellow D. 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 It's yellow D. Can you say like this? D. D. Oh, great. D. D is for donut. Do you like donut? Oh, D. Put in the right place. Yes, here. And next, we need to find the letter E. Aha, it's a letter E. It's blue E. Look. E. E. E for egg. E for engine. Letter E. Great job, kids. Fix. Aha. Next, we need to find the letter F. F. Do you see the letter F? It's green F. 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 Can you say like this? F. Oh, wow. F. F for fish. F for fan. Put in the right place. Fix. Next, we need to find the letter G. Do you see the letter G? Yes, here it is. It's orange G. G. G is for grapes. Letter G. G. Put in the right place. Here. Now next we need to find the letter H. I see the letter H. Do you see the letter H? Haha. Yes, you are right. It's orange. It's orange H. H. Letter H. H is for horse. H for horse. H for head. Great. Now put in the right place. Yes, here. You did it. Next, we need to find the letter I. Look at this. Okay. We need to find the letter I. Where are you, Mr. I? Aha. I. It's yellow I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Oh, great. I. I for ice cream. I. Fix. Next, we need to find the letter J. Letter J. J. J for juice. J for jam. J for juice. J for jam. Can you say like this, J? Oh, great! Put in the right place. Yes, here. You did it. Next, we need to find the letter K. Aha! K. K. Can you say like this, K? K? Oh, great! K. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K is for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K. It's blue K. Fix, fix, fix. Now next, we need to find the letter L. Do you see the letter L? Yes, here it is. It's orange L. L. L for lion. L for lion. L. Now we need to find the letter. Yes, you're right. M. We need to find the letter M. Do you see the letter M? Yes, it's yellow M. M for mango. M for mango. Haha, letter M. Put in the right place. Yes, here. Next, we need to find the letter N. Yes, great. Do you see the letter N? Oh, wow, great. Letter N. N. N for noodles. N for nose. N. N. Put in the right place. Next, O. We need to find the letter O. Here it is. O. It's blue O. Can you say like this, O? O. Oh, great. O for octopus. O for orange. O for octopus. O for orange. Oh, great. Put in the right place. Next, we need to find the letter P. Let's look for letter P. Do you see the letter P? Yes, I see the letter P. It's orange. Haha. Yes, here it is. It's orange P. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. P. Letter P. Fix, 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 fix. Now we need to find the letter Q. Great. Here it is. It's yellow Q. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Oh, great. Q. It's yellow Q. Now next. Yes, you are right. R. We need to find the letter R. Haha. It's green R. R. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rabbit. It's green R. Fix, fix, fix. Now next, we need to find the letter S. S, okay? Do you see the letter S? Yes, I see the letter S. It's blue. Hoo-hoo. Yes, here it is. S. It's blue S. S. S for sun. S for sun. Put in the right place. Yes, here. Next, we need to find the letter T. Ta, ta, T. Ta-dum. It's orange T. Orange. It's orange T. Okay? T for tree. T for tree. Put in the right place. Yes, here. Next, we need to find the letter U. Woo-hoo. Letter U. It's yellow U. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Do you like a unicorn? Oh, great. Fix, 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 fix. Next, we need to find the letter V. Where are you, letter V? Here it is. V. It's green V. Okay. V for van. V for van. Put in the right place. Like this. Great. Next we need to find the letter W. Haha. W. W. Can you say like this? W. W. Oh, great. W for whale. W for whale. Fix, fix, fix. Next we need to find the letter X. X. Here it is. It's orange X. Okay. X. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray fish. Oh, great. X. Now next we need to find the letter Y. It's yellow Y. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Oh, great. It's yellow Y. Fix, fix, fix. Next, Z. It's green Z. Z. Z for zebra. Put in the right place. Yes, here like this. Wow, kids, you did it! Let's say our ABC one more time. Good job, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Wow, kids, you are super smart. Now we know all the letters from A to Z. Clap your hands for yourself. Wow, great. Bye-bye, kids. See you soon. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe for more updates. Bye-bye.